Using an American Express gift card on a Nintendo Switch is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is powered on. Navigate to the Nintendo eShop on your Switch. You can find it on the home screen. If you're not already signed in, sign in to your Nintendo account. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account. In the eShop, look for an option to enter code or redeem code. This is usually found in the menu on the left side. Since the Nintendo eShop does not directly support American Express gift cards, you can use your American Express gift card to purchase a Nintendo eShop card from a retailer. These cards come with a code that you can redeem on the eShop. Use your controller to enter the code from the Nintendo eShop card you purchased. The code is typically a combination of letters and numbers. After entering the code, confirm the entry and proceed to redeem the code. Follow any on-screen instructions. Once the code is successfully redeemed, the corresponding amount should be added to your Nintendo eShop account balance. While in the Nintendo eShop or within a specific game, you can use the balance to make in-game purchases.